Hey guys, what is up? I am back and today we are going to do an unboxing video of the Little Twin Stars and Sugarpill collaboration, and I can't wait to open it. I'm so excited. Like, I've been waiting for it to come over to the UK on sites like beautybay and Love Makeup. I'm just so excited. As soon as I saw it, I knew I had to have it because it looks gorgeous. And in case you don't know who Little Twin Stars are, they are characters from Sanrio, which is Hello Kitty's company, and they are two twins, a boy and a girl, and their main colours are pink and blue, and they're pastel colours, so that's why I think they're quite popular with people, and it's just really cute to have that kind of pastel colours and lots of stars and stuff. And Sugarpill is a lovely makeup brand. They do like very colourful makeup, and they collabed with Sanrio, and I can't wait. I had to wait a little while because it released earlier in the US, but I didn't want to pay like shipping and customs, so I saw it on lovemakeup.co.uk. It came on there a few days ago and I ordered it straight away, and it was £63, but actually on beautybay it is £60. I don't know why it's the price difference, but I saw Love Makeup's first, so that's why I paid the £3 extra, but there you go. Okay, so I'm just gonna unbox it. So much paper. I don't want to like touch it. It's too pretty to touch. Okay, so you get this really cool box with this nice cover on with Kiki and Lala on. The limited edition Pro Makeup collection. And on the back it's kind of got some information about Kiki and Lala. Kiki and Lala travelled to Earth to learn how to be the best, shiniest stars they can be. Now you can shine bright with them. The twins have teamed up with the cutest cult beauty brand Sugarpill to create this limited edition makeup collection, which features all new shades in the ultra pigmented, high performance, cruelty free formulas they are known for. Get ready to sparkle. Okay, so you get the palette, you get the eyeshadows that double as like a highlighter, and then you get the lip duo, and then exclusively if you buy both of these together you get the cute makeup bag. So you get this fancy box. Yeah, I really like this. I can keep this and put loads of stuff in it afterwards. It's really cute. I like the kind of faded and shiny Kiki and Lala. I really like it. Guys, oh, I just can't, it's so nice. So you get the palette, you get the makeup bag and the lip duo there. Look, I just love the layout, I don't know. And up here you've got the Sugarpill logo and stars as well. And yeah, it says remove this tray and use this super cute box to store your favourite treasures. Yeah, so you get this cute little keepsake box. I'm too scared to like touch anything, it's so pretty. So you get the palette, and it has a transparent cover on it, and on the cover you've got the different shades at the back. So you've got Cloud Maker, which is foiled and it's like a sparkly dark blue. You've got Star Ribbon, which is a bright bluey turquoise, and it's matte and it's kind of like Kiki's signature colour. Got Twinkle Twinkle, which is like a shiny gold, that's foiled again. Dream Dust is like a frost, it's kind of like a beigey, goldy kind of colour. Sky Candy's a frost as well. That's a nice pink, that's more kind of Lala's colour. And Wish, which is kind of looks like a reddy gold kind of colour, and that's foiled too. And like even on the cover it's got like information about Kiki and Lala on it, and it's just really cute, and you've got the little cruelty free sign in the corner and stuff, and I don't know, it's just all really well done. Look at that, look at the bag. I just love it. I don't know what I can say, I just love it. Vegan and cruelty free as well. Sugarpill has cruelty free and vegan makeup. Oh look guys, have all the shades there. Oh, I just think this is such an adorable palette, and like for any like Sanrio fans, or just anyone who loves cute things should get this. Okay, we're gonna swatch them now. I kind of don't want to, I'm kind of scared because they look so perfect. So we'll do Cloud Maker first, which is this blue one right here, and this one's foiled. So, oh that's gorgeous. It looks kind of more silvery like when you swatch it. That is gorgeous though. Ooh, I'm not giving you the finger, I promise. Next we'll do Star Ribbon, which is like the blue. It looks more greeny. So yeah, definitely more turquoisey than just like blue. And this is matte. That is gorgeous. Super pigmented too. Next we'll do Twinkle Twinkle, which is this lovely gold. Ooh. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. Oh, that is so shiny. Oh my god. I'm literally so happy right now, you guys. That is lovely. Okay, next, which is Dream Dust, which is this kind of beigey colour. Beigey nude. Ooh. So this is like more subtle obviously, but it's still like super pigmented, so it's very buildable. So cute. Definitely use that as like a base colour or maybe a highlight. Now we do Sky Candy, which is the pink one, which is my favourite colour. Ooh. So that's a lovely kind of like soft pink. Lala's colour obviously. But again, very buildable. So pigmented. Oh, so pretty. I think these are limited edition shades as well, so like they won't be released after this, some of these shades. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, amazing. And last one I'm going to do is Wish, which is this brown one just here. Kind of a brownie gold. Super shiny. Gorgeous. Next, I'm going to look at the liquid lip colours. We've got Kiki and Lala in their little signature colours. Super cute with the little stars on again. What does that say? Limited edition. La la la. And you've got the cute, obviously, colour names at the bottom, a little star each. So, oh, that smells really fruity. I don't know if Sugarpill's lipsticks usually smell like that, but that smells lovely. So yeah, lovely matte turquoisey blue, super creamy, pigmented. Oh, love it. I'll probably wear Lala more because I just generally, yeah, they do smell the same. I have a little doe foot applicator, by the way. Yeah, I would wear the pink one more because I don't tend to wear like a blue lip because that's quite a daring kind of look. Maybe if I was going on a night out, I would definitely wear the blue one, I think. I think it would be fun to do like a half lip, like half blue and then like half pink kind of look. So yeah, this is the pink one, more of like a hot pink. Again, super pigmented, kind of creamy. There's tiny little bits of gold glitter in there. I don't think the camera's gonna like pick that up or anything, but there is tiny little flecks of gold in there if you look closely. I just can't get over the smell. They smell like so citrusy. I love it. Okay, so I'm really pleased that I got this as a limited edition, and I love little twin stars, and it's just a beautiful set really, so I do recommend anyone to get it. The colours are super pigmented and fun, and these smell really nice. Like now that these have dried, I definitely see like more of a gold in them, for sure, which I think is really nice. So now let's take a look at the cute little makeup bag that you get. This is if you buy both the lip duo and the palettes together. It'll come all in big box like I showed you, and you get this cute little makeup bag, and it's got obviously transparent, got Kiki and Lala on there, and your cute little teddy bear on the moon, Sugarpill and little twin stars on the back, Sugarpill labelled there. And on the zip it's the Sugarpill label as well, the heart with the little plus sign. This is like really soft, and the palette and the lip duo fit in there perfectly. And like you get a nice box, which I think is a nice touch, like another little keepsake, and you can put your stuff in it. And then so much like attention to detail, like even like the covers and stuff are like have the right information on, the right story, like even detailed covers like on the back and stuff. Like I think I'll still keep them because they're just detailed and they're just really cute. I'll just show you while we're on the topic of little twin stars. I got this cute little mirror from Art Books to like do my makeup in. Like how, oh the light, how adorable is that? That's so cute. I've also got a little twin stars cup from Art Box. Kiki and Lala at the bottom. Cute. Roxy's Sweetheart does a little twin stars badge that I bought. And a cute little twin stars pin from Cutesy King. Okay, so I'm really happy with this makeup. I think it's amazing. I think the colours are really pigmented, and these smell amazing and just look really cool, and I love everything about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.